Hello students, in this video we are going to see the question number 6A, which is based on map for 12th standard HSC board examination geography subject. So this is the map question or most likely map questions which may be asked. So the first map question is area of high population in Australia. So where is the high population? So always remember this, the coastal area downside towards the south side, so that area is considered as the highest populated area. This is the highest populated area which you can see on the screen where I have zoomed it. Next is an country in Europe having stationary age sex pyramid. So we all know that pyramids are of three types, like expansive, constructive and stationary. So which country in Europe has the stationary sex pyramid? So the answer for this is Norway. You can see here the answer is Norway and it has been placed here. So this is Norway, which you can see in the map. Next we have an metropolitan city in USA. So metropolitan city in USA is New York. So you can see here the answer is New York and it is denoted here. We have Dogger Bank fishing ground. So Dogger Bank fishing ground is placed here below Norway. So you can see the point. After that we have industrial belt in Japan. So we all know where is Japan. You just have to denote the industrial belt in it. Then we have the next question, like denote the location Maldives. So Maldives is one of an island which is below India. So this is the Maldives point. Then we have Gabon. So Gabon is denoted here. You can see it, number 7. And then we have Rocky Mountains. So Rocky Mountains are denoted here. You can think Rocky Mountain as important. It can be most likely to be asked. Okay. Now we'll come across the second map. तो second map में आप देख सकते हो any sparse populated region in India. तो इंडिया में सबसे लेस पॉपुलेटेड रीजन ये कौन सा है वो आपको देखना है. सो इट इज़ राजस्थान, एज इट इज़ because of desert the population is very low. So you can see number 1 is denoted in India where it is written Rajasthan. Next, most sought after western coast to migrate to. So here it is USA, most sought western country to migrate to. So it's USA. So you can see the USA second number which is denoted there. Then we in the South America section. Then we have an metropolitan city in India. So it's Mumbai. We all know metropolitan city is Mumbai. So वो भी आपको इंडिया में डिनोट करना है. Then we have area of animal husbandry in Australia. So animal husbandry is carried out in large amount in Australia in a commercial manner. So you can see how it is denoted. बीच में उन्होंने denote किया है. After that we have rural industrial area. Very important, most likely to be asked. So rural industrial area is here. Okay, you can see it here. Next we have British Virgin Island. So British Virgin Island is for the 6th number, which you can see here, about the between North and South America. Then we have any democratic country in the continent of Africa. So the answer for that is Congo. So you can see this is African continent where Congo is denoted near the equator. After that we have Trans-Siberian Railway Line. Very important. Panama Canal, Trans-Siberian Railway Line, Canadian Railway Line. Then we have Swiss Canal. Most probably any of it will be asked. So this is Trans-Siberian Railway Line, which you can see in above route in the Asia part. Now we'll come across the next map question. Any country passing through the second stage of demographic transition. So that is Niger. So you can see Niger number 1, which is in Africa part. Then we have most sought out India. city to migrate. So basically, if we ask in India, where would you like to go, you will say I would like to go in Mumbai because it is mostly developed and so many opportunities are there. So it is most sort of migrated place. So Mumbai is denoted with number 2. Any Asian country with highest urbanization, तो सबसे ज़्यादा urbanization जो है एशिया कंट्री में, so that is Kuwait. Okay, so Kuwait you can see here, it is denoted above Mumbai. Then we have farming region of Europe. So farming region of Europe is denoted in Europe at the 4 number section, which you can see here. After that we have an industrial region of Australia. तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन कहाँ पे है, तो यहाँ पे डिनोट हुआ है. सो देन द बहामाज. सो बहामाज आर डिनोटेड हियर between below the North America section. Then we have Papua New Guinea. So it's denoted with 8 number. So you can see here it is above Australia. Okay, so this is the next 4th map. Now we'll come across the next map is map number 3. Any country in the continent of Europe passing through the 5th stage of demographic. अभी ये तो आपको ध्यान में ही रखना है कि फर्स्ट स्टेज में which country comes, second में which comes, third stage which are the countries which comes. According to the stage you need to know the examples of some of the countries at least, and you need to know कि वो countries कहाँ पे locate है. Please make sure that you by heart फर्स्ट स्टेज के कुछ कंट्रीज, सेकेंड स्टेज की कंट्रीज, एंड वो कहाँ पे लोकेट होते हैं मैप में वो आप अच्छे से देख लो, बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चंस आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस में आएंगे. ठीक है. सो द आंसर फॉर दिस इज स्वीडन. सो 1 नंबर स्वीडन इज डिनोटेड इन द मैप विच यू कैन सी. देन वी हैव एन एशियन कंट्री हैविंग एक्सपांसिव एज सेक्स पिरामिड. ठीक है. सो दैट इज सेकेंड नंबर का इंडिया. So you can just see India is denoted with 2. Then conurbation in Europe. So it is in the 3rd number. So ये Europe में ही आएगा. So you can see it between below Sweden. After that we have Istanbul. So Istanbul is for 4th number, which you can see. So it is denoted above South Africa. Then we have Grand Bank. So Grand Bank is denoted with 5 number in USA. Then we have Aruba. Aruba is for 6th number, which is denoted. Then we have Aruba is denoted for 7th number. So where it is? It is in South America section. Then we have industrial belt in South Africa. So it is Kimberley. 6th one is Kimberley, जो नीचे है at the last point in South Africa. Then coniferous forest region in Canada. तो कनाडा में जो कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट है जहाँ पे लंबरिंग एक्टिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा कैरिड आउट होती है, सो दैट यू हैव टू शो. सो दिस इज़ द कनाडाज कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट विच इज़ इन यूएसए. ठीक है. अभी है नेक्स्ट मैप, एन एशियन कंट्री हैविंग द हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी. तो सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी जो है वो है बांग्लादेश. So it is denoted by Bangladesh, number 1. Second one, any country with political push factors of migration. So that is Syria. We know कि सीरिया में politically stability है ही नहीं है. Okay, there is lot of disturbance and a lot of people they have lost their life because of political instability. So उसके वजह से वो बहुत migrate करते हैं. They leave Syria and they try to move somewhere else. सो सेकेंड नंबर पे सीरिया है, जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मैप में इट्स लोकेटेड ईयर. देन वी हैव एंड पिलग्रिमेज सेंटर ऑफ इंडिया. सो पिलग्रिमेज सेंटर इज तिरुपति बालाजी. आप कुछ और भी ले सकते हो, एनी पिलग्रिमेज सेंटर, शिरडी या फिर कुछ और भी ले सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. माइनिंग फील्ड इन अरेबियन सी. सो इट इज़ बॉम्बे हाई. सो बॉम्बे हाई इज़ अगेन नियर इंडिया. Then we have industrial belt, Great Lakes. Many a times this question is asked. This is the answer, 5th number. तो USA में आप देख सकते हो कि इंडस्ट्रियल बेल्ट कहाँ पे है. It is asked in the previous year examinations also. Then we have St. Lucia. Then it is denoted with 6th number, St. Lucia. It is above South America section. Then we have Seychelles. so it is denoted with 7th number. Then we have Uganda, which is denoted by 8th number. So this is how the next map is being made. अभी है Uzbekistan. So Uzbekistan is with number 1. Then Canada, bringing racial changes in the sea transportation. Canada not, it's canal. So which is the canal which is bringing tremendous changes and development? It is nothing else but Suez Canal. So Suez Canal का भी आपको याद रखना ही है. तो ये है Suez Canal. You can see it here. अभी है next Milan. Milan, where is Milan? It is in 3 number. So you can see above Suez Canal is Milan, which is denoted. Andes Mountain, Rockies Mountain हमने already देखे हैं. Andes Mountain है यहाँ पे South America में. Rockies Mountain were in North America. Then we have country with highest population. We all know it's nothing else than China, which is very close to India. So denote it above India. Then we have an industrial city in Europe. So it is nothing else than industrial city जो है वो है South Wales. So you can see here 6th number, South Wales, which is in Europe. After that we have any region of lumbering activity in Asia. तो एशिया में lumbering activity कहाँ पे है? तो ये है चाइना के आसपास ही दिखाई है उन्होंने. नेक्स्ट है लाडघर. सो लाडघर is again in India. We all are aware of it, okay, of that place. Last map of most likely questions are country with least population from North America continent. So सबसे least जो population है वो है Canada में. So it's Canada. Second, any tourist place in Australia. तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सबसे tourist point जो है वो है Sydney. It's also the capital, so you can write Sydney and you can denote the Sydney where it is. Then Macau you need to show. So Macau is denoted. Then we have Moldova. So Moldova is again denoted here with 4 number star in Europe. Then we have Kochi. Kochi is one of the natural port of India. So it is denoted in India at the coastline. Then we have Satpuras. This is also in India. Satpura ranges. So it is denoted in India with 6 number. Then we have a state in North America, India, Northeast India, having regional imbalance. So the state name is Arunachal Pradesh, which is having a regional imbalance in India. And then lastly, a country with Hebrew as its official language. So which country has an official language called Hebrew is Israel. So the denotion of Israel is seen here. Okay, about South Africa. So this is all about the map section. I hope this map may help you out in your board examination. Definitely इसमें कुछ तो आएगा. So try to be thorough with some of the locations. Kindly watch the video completely and hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.